when you get some good fruit incorporated into your breakfast by making chia puddings or overnight oats. And today we're making this absolutely delicious and creamy strawberry chia pudding. It's not just strawberries mixed with chia pudding. I'll tell you my secrets to making a super creamy chia pudding and get all of that strawberry flavor in it by adding some fresh strawberries as well as some cooked strawberries in the form of a compote and layering all that up so that it looks pretty and fun to eat. So let's make it. I'll tell you my secrets to making the best chia pudding. The first one is to soak the chia seeds in some warm water. I mean, you can add the chia seeds to some milk mixture and then wait for them to rehydrate and all of that. But what I like to do is to just soak them in some warm water. You can add some sweetener to it if you want as well and some flavor. And they rehydrate really quickly and then you can use them however you want. You can also use these hydrated chia seeds to add extra layers into your chia pudding. They look fun and they're super easy. My second secret is to use an absolutely creamy base. I use some non-dairy yogurt or some non-dairy cream. There is protein from the chia seeds, about 4 grams or so in this jar, and about 7 or 8 grams of fiber. Now to bump up the protein, use some high protein non-dairy yogurt or use some blended tofu. That will immediately add a lot more protein to your chia pudding. The third secret is to build up the flavor with multiple ingredients in your cream layer. So I added some vanilla and some lemon to give it that zestiness and fresh flavor. And the vanilla pairs really well with some fresh strawberries, so definitely add those. You can add some cinnamon or other spices. The fourth secret is to use the fruit in various forms. So I am adding some chopped raw strawberries to the chia pudding, as well as making this compote with some lemon zest and strawberries all cooked together with a little bit of maple syrup until they get jammy and cooked and delicious. That will add this amazing punch of strawberry flavor to your chia pudding. There will be this muted but fresh strawberry flavor in the chia pudding. Then we're going to also add a layer of our plain rehydrated chia seeds. Then there's a layer of this strong and delicious strawberry compote. And I mean, look at that. It looks so pretty. You don't have to layer these like this. You can just add the strawberry compote directly into your chia pudding as well and swirl it in so it's not entirely incorporated, and then just eat it from the bowl. You don't have to put it in the jars. It just looks really pretty and it's fun to eat. You can top it with some crunch, that is some seeds and nuts. Some hemp seeds will add a lot more protein, some almond slivers or anything, or top with other fruits like mangoes or anything that complements the strawberry flavor. Now you can make these ahead, seal them and put them in the fridge, and these will last about 4 days in the fridge, so they are a great make ahead breakfast. They are a great after school snack as well. They're just lightly sweet, have a ton of fresh fruit, and are absolutely fabulous. Make these jars and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, fun vegan recipes, Indian vegan recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.